Here's one of my favorite ways to perform the classic any card at any number card trick. So I would let the spectator choose any card out of the deck and they can look at it, let's say the Jack of Diamonds. As they're looking at the card or signing the card, I'm going to count 19 cards off the top in groups of 3. So I'll go 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 19 right over here. I can either just hold my hands out like this, have them place it back, or I can also do a riffle force where I can just hold a break at the 20th position and then have them say stop at a seemingly random point, but then their card goes right in the 20th position right over here. So now you can do some little shuffles off the bottom, just maintain that card in the 20th position. So at this point, I like to show them that their card is not going to be near the top or the bottom of the deck, and that will incentivize them to name a number that is closer to the middle of the deck, because that will actually make the trick a lot easier for you. So just tell them to name any number between 1 and 52, but try to make it somewhere in the middle. Let's say they give you the number 17. All you're gonna do is figure out how many cards away that is from the 20th position. So in this case, that is 3 less than 20. So that means I have to remove 3 cards from the top in order to raise that 20th card to the 17th position. So to do that secretly, I'm going to give an example to the spectator of how I want them to count, and I'm secretly going to maneuver 3 cards to the bottom in this action. So I will explain that I want them to spread off like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like that. But of course I want them to do it. And in that action, what I've just done is I've actually culled 3 cards underneath by counting them like this. I've just done 1, 2, 3 under the spread, and then I'll simply square them up to the bottom of the deck. And that will essentially put the card in the 17th position. Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. There it is. Now let's say that the number they name is bigger than 20. You're going to do the exact same thing, but with the deck upside down. I would even recommend starting this entire process with the deck face up so that it doesn't look awkward with you rotating the deck back and forth multiple times. If you only rotate it once, that will make it a lot less suspicious. But if you start with the deck face up and they name a number bigger than 20, let's say 25, you'll do the exact same thing with the cards face up. So you'll invite them to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just like this. And I've just done 5 cards, which I will now cull underneath and move to the top, which puts 5 cards above their selection. And I'll do this as an example and then hand them the deck and say, actually, but do this face down because I don't want to see the cards. So now they'll count 25. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, the Jack of Diamonds. But yeah, it doesn't matter what number they name, just do some quick mental math and the card will be there every single time.